Hi everybody and welcome to my new channel, Le Semakwa. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to get notification when a new video is posted. In this first lesson, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in Creole. Hi, my name is Jack. I'm from Jacmel. Bonjour, moi relé Jacques. Moi sorti Jacmel. Hi, my name is Jack. I'm from Jacmel. Bonjour, moi relé Jacques. Moi sorti Jacmel. It's important to understand that hi stands for bonjour. So every time you need to say hi, you can say bonjour or bonsoir. Bonjour stands for good morning, bonsoir, good afternoon, good evening. Hi, bonjour. My name is moi relé Jacques. Bonjour, moi relé Jacques. I'm from Jacmel. Moi sorti Jacmel. How are you? How was your night? Ki jan ou ye? Ki jan nuit la te ye? How, ki jan, are, ou, you, ye. How are you? Ki jan ou ye? How was your night? Ki jan nuit la te ye? I'm from USA. I will be here for a week. Moi sorti États-Unis. And here again, you need to understand that États-Unis stands for United States of America. The word for USA is États-Unis, but you can also translate États-Unis by saying United States of America. I'm from USA. Moi sorti États-Unis. I will be here for a week. M'a fait yon semaine ici. I'm 20 years old. I'm delighted to visit Haiti. Moi gen 20 ans. Moi content en pile pour moi visiter Haïti. I'm 20 years old. Moi gen 20 ans. I am delighted to visit Haiti. Moi content en pile pour moi visiter Haïti. Goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye. Na we yon lot fois. See you next time. Na we yon lot fois. Alright, those are a few sentences you may have to use to start a short conversation with a Haitian. So if you like the video, please hit like button and share it with your friends. Do not hesitate to comment because the idea is to make this as perfect as possible. Alright then, bye bye. Na we yon lot fois.